Hello everybody and welcome back to Digital Point. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up an account for the social media app BeReal. So I have just downloaded the app and clicked into it, and this is the first screen that you come to. It's just simply wanting your name. For the purpose of this video, obviously I will put in Digital Point. We will hit continue at the bottom. Then it will ask for your birthday. We'll put in quick birthday here. Then once you continue, it's going to ask for your phone number. So I'm going to go ahead and do that next step, and then I will meet up with you guys after that. So once you put in your phone number, it will ask you for the verification code that was sent to you. Then you'll hit continue, and this is the screen right after that verification code. So it'll ask for a username, and I doubt that this is going to be available, but we will see here. Okay, that was. Contacts will go no for now. Allow notifications. It'll have you click on the notification up here, and then it will ask you for your camera access. We'll go ahead and hit OK on that. Obviously, this is a very camera-driven app, so we will have the camera available. And then it will have you take your pictures from the back-facing camera and the front-facing camera. I will be doing more tutorials on this app as I get more familiar with it and use it a bit more. So thank you so much for watching. Do you use BeReal? This is an app that has exploded over the past couple weeks and months. Let us know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, we will see you in the next video.